your SaaS agency is doing horrible. You have 0 clients, you have no emails sent back to you, and you have no DMs sent back to you. You have absolutely nothing. And this one tip I'm going to give you is actually going to transform your business and your life forever. Because once I learned this, everything changed. And that one tip is that if you own a SaaS agency or a software agency or any type of agency, your job is literally sales. Your job is literally to be a salesperson, to get on as many calls as possible, to close as many people as possible. And once I learned this trick, I was like, wow, this was like, it was crazy, because when I first started SaaS, I did not want to get on any calls. I was so scared to even talk to people on the phone. Even if it's like a random person across the country in a different country that wants to give me money, I was like, we don't have to do this over a phone call. Let's do email or DM. And that was a mistake, because when you close people, when you do it on a phone at least, or over a call, it's going to be way easier, and you're going to actually build a connection, and that close is most likely going to happen. It's going to be a way higher percentage compared to texting or emailing. And that one trick, if you implement it into your business, you're going to go way farther than you ever thought you could. Now, when I say get on calls, I don't mean getting on calls with people in the comment section who say they want to start SaaS, and then you call them, they don't answer, or maybe you call them and they're like, you know what, I don't have enough money right now. And they just take all the information from you, they extract it, and then they just leave the call without even using your affiliate link, without paying you anything. And trust me, I've been through that, which is why I'm telling you, you need to have qualifying questions on your booking calendar, which if you see right here, which is why I added so many questions, because I need to qualify someone before getting on a call. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. Calls are by far the biggest waste of time, especially if it's with someone who isn't even qualified to start or doesn't even really want to start. They just want to take all the information from you. Because I've been through that and it sucks. I've had, multiple calls every single day, and none of them turned into a close because I didn't qualify them beforehand, and I wasn't even pitching it properly in the call, which I'll talk about in another video. But I was literally just giving them all the information without asking any questions, without qualifying. And yeah, once you implement this into your business, you're going to do way more numbers, way better than you ever thought you could. So get on as many calls as possible. Don't be scared like I did. Don't be shy, just go for it. Trust me, it'll end up way better than you ever thought it would, because you're actually building that connection. If this video was valuable, make sure to like and subscribe, comment whatever your thoughts are, and if you want to start Go High Level with SaaS, click the affiliate link below for 30 days free.